Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore flood insurance policy details with FEMA NFIP full guide step by step clearly. To restore your flood insurance policy details with FEMA NFIP, first, gather essential documentation. This includes your current policy number, personal identification, and any previous correspondence with FEMA. Next, visit the FEMA National Flood Insurance Program website. Navigate to the section dedicated to policyholders. Look for resources specifically related to policy information recovery. You may find a link to access your policy information directly. If you can't find your policy online, prepare to call FEMA's customer service. Locate the customer service phone number on the NFIP website. Ensure you have your documentation on hand when you call. Explain your situation clearly to the customer service representative. They will guide you through the steps to restore your policy details. If requested, provide any necessary information to verify your identity. Once verified, you should receive your policy details promptly. If you encounter issues online or over the phone, consider visiting your local insurance agent. They can often assist you in restoring your policy details directly. After restoring your policy information, review the details carefully for accuracy. Confirm your coverage limits and personal information are correct. Finally, keep a copy of all communications for your records. This will help in future instances should you need to reference your policy. By following these steps, you can efficiently restore your flood insurance policy details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.